also have Jio Finance. Remember, there is this change in the Nifty Rejig that's happened. So Zomato, Jio Finance are now a part of Nifty, and that's also taking in the valuation of Nifty bit higher, because these two stocks are now higher valued than the ones that they have replaced, BPCL and Britannia. So the Nifty index valuation also just moves up the tad bit. Mayuresh, how would you look at the Nifty now? Valuation was again earlier a question, and now with these two newer stocks getting added on, there'll be some more uptick there. Does it worry at all?
There shall be an uptake, but again, I think you need to probably look at the context in terms of the resetting which will happen, right? And therefore, I think if one really assumes with the new constituents coming in, what is the Nifty EPS that will come through for FY26, FY27? Hardly a change that I see, right? And therefore, I think the consensus EPS numbers should largely be stable. Obviously, I think in terms of the delivery of numbers for Zomato, because I think there has been an excessive front loading that will happen. Profitability is going to take a hit, and Jio is still to kick off significantly. So to that extent, I think the EPS moderation will be considered by the street for the changes that have probably happened. Might look expensive with the new constituents coming in, but in the bigger picture context, my own sense is 27 EPS numbers, the moderation might not be too much, which will cause any kind of jitters as far as overall Nifty valuation.
Okay. What about you, Mitesh? How would you look at Jio Finance and Zomato as of now? Charts, are they looking better?
As far as Zomato is concerned, I think, technically it looks good only above 215. So 215, if the daily close is above 215, then definitely it's an excellent buy with a stop of 203 for the potential target of 230, 240. As far as Jio Finance is concerned, the stock is also consolidating at the current level. But within this two, if I have to pick technically, I'll go with Zomato with the condition that the stock should give a close above 215. Jio Finance, I think once the stock start trading about 235, 240, then only we will get the extension of the trend. So again, in that case also we'll have to look at 240. But the only difference is that in case of Zomato, 215 a daily close, and in case of Jio Finance, 240 a weekly close. So that is the only difference. Otherwise, yes, within these two, if I have to pick one stock, I'll go with Zomato.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.